everyone. So today we are going to discuss about organic compounds containing nitrogen. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. Actually, in second year chemistry, total chapters are 13 chapters. Okay. 11th chapter is haloalkanes and halogens, already completed. And 12th chapter is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, already completed. Next 13th chapter, same organic chemistry chapter. So that is 13th chapter is organic compounds containing organic compounds containing nitrogen. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. Only nitrogen. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. 11th chapter haloalkanes and halogens. 12th chapter organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And 13th chapter organic compounds containing nitrogen. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. For example, nitrobenzene. First topic is nitrobenzene. So generally nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2, nitrobenzene, okay, nitrogen. Next, second topic, amines. For example, aniline. So generally aniline formula C6H5NH2, aniline, okay, nitrogen. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. Next, third one, diazonium chloride salt. Diazonium chloride salts. For example, benzene diazonium chloride salt formula C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride salt, nitrogen molecule, okay, nitrogen. Next one, cyanides. For example, methyl cyanide formula CH3 bond Cn, okay, nitrogen. Next one, isocyanides. Generally isocyanides formula CH3 bond Nc, isocyanides, okay, nitrogen. So heading, organic compounds containing nitrogen. So example, 12th chapter organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. 13th chapter organic compounds containing nitrogen. So example, nitrobenzene, okay, nitrogen atom. Amines, nitrogen atom. Benzene diazonium chloride salt, nitrogen. Next, cyanides, CH3 bond Cl, nitrogen. Isocyanides, CH3 bond Nc, nitrogen. Okay, so chapter name, organic compounds containing nitrogen, and different types of topics. First topic nitrobenzene, second amines, third diazonium chloride salts, fourth topic cyanides, and fifth topic isocyanides. Okay, so first topic subheading nitrobenzene. First topic subheading nitrobenzene. Okay, first topic in organic compounds containing nitrogen. That is first topic, nitrobenzene. Okay. So generally nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. So this is nitrobenzene formula C6H5N2. Okay, nitrobenzene. First topic. Next, subheading preparation methods of nitrobenzene. Preparation method, only one method. So preparation method of nitrobenzene. Preparation method of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Only one method. That is only one method. That is from benzene. From benzene or nitration of benzene. Nitration of benzene. One of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Actually, electrophilic substitution reactions are 5 types: halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation or acetylation, and nitration. So only one preparation method, that is from benzene. From benzene. Okay. So first of all, benzene formula C6H6. Benzene formula C6H6. So this is benzene. So in benzene, every carbon atom has a one hydrogen atom. Every carbon atom has a one hydrogen atom. Same one hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom. So benzene formula C6H6. And benzene reacts with nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. So nitration mixture means the mixture of concentrated nitric acid HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. H2SO4 is called nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. So nitration mixture means the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitration mixture. Okay, so benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid. So nitric acid formula HNO3, HNO3. HNO3, nitric acid formula HNO3. Okay, HNO3. So this is concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid formula HNO3. HNO3. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and below 60 degrees Celsius temperature. Below 60 degrees Celsius temperature. So very simple. First of all, benzene formula C6H6. In benzene, every carbon atom has a one hydrogen atom, and benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid formula HNO3 in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and temperature is below 60 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, clear. Next, 1 mole of hydrogen, so 1 mole of OH, so removal of water, so byproduct is H2O. Byproduct is H2O. Remaining answer C6H5. Next, NO2, our compound nitrobenzene. So C6H5NO2. This is our compound nitrobenzene. So only one preparation method is from benzene. From benzene or electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene or nitration of benzene. Nitration of benzene. Generally, nitration mixture is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitration mixture. Okay. So only one preparation method, that is from benzene. First of all, benzene formula C6H6 plus concentrated nitric acid formula HNO3 in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid below 60 degrees Celsius temperature. H plus N and OH minus and removal of water. Remaining answer our compound nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. So this is preparation method of nitrobenzene, that is from benzene or nitration of benzene or electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. Okay. Next one. Heading. Next heading, properties. So preparation method of nitrobenzene close. The next heading, properties of nitrobenzene. Properties of nitrobenzene. Properties of nitrobenzene. Okay. First property, actually reducing property. Reducing property. Presence of acidic medium. Presence of acidic medium. Acidic medium. That is zinc plus hydrochloric acid or concentrated hydrochloric acid. Acidic medium, that is zinc plus hydrochloric acid. One of the reducing agent. So first property, presence of acidic medium or zinc plus hydrochloric acid. Okay. First of all, our compound nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. C6H5NO2, our compound nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, okay, C6H5NO2. In the presence of acidic medium or zinc plus hydrochloric acid, one of the acid. Okay, zinc plus hydrochloric acid. So it is one of the reducing agent. It is one of the reducing agent. So generally reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms. For example, 6 hydrogen atoms. Addition of 6 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly converted into aniline or aminobenzene. Nitrobenzene directly converted into aniline or aminobenzene. Very important compound, aniline or aminobenzene. Actually total hydrogen atoms are 6 hydrogen atoms. So addition of 2 hydrogen atoms. Remaining 4 hydrogen atoms. So 2 moles of water, 2H2O. Very simple. Cyclic ring. 1 mole of nitrogen. Next 2 oxygen atoms. Next 6 hydrogen atoms. 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. 6 hydrogen atoms. So presence of acidic medium or zinc plus hydrochloric acid. It is one of the reducing agent. So addition of 6 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly converted into aniline and byproduct is water. And next one, second one, presence of basic medium or alkaline medium. Basic medium or alkaline medium. Alkaline means basic medium. For example, zinc plus alcoholic KOH. Potassium hydroxide. Zinc plus alcoholic KOH. So first one, zinc plus concentrated hydrochloric acid. Second one, zinc plus alcoholic KOH. KOH is one of the base, so basic medium or alkaline medium. Same nitrogen formula, C6H5NO2. But 2 moles of nitrobenzene. In the presence of alkaline medium or basic medium, that is zinc plus alcoholic KOH. It is also one of the reducing agent. So generally reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms. For example, addition of 10 hydrogen atoms. In first reaction 6 hydrogen atoms. Next second reaction 10 hydrogen atoms. So 2 moles of nitrobenzene in the presence of alkaline medium, that is zinc plus alcoholic KOH. So addition of 10 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly converted into hydrazobenzene. So generally hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2. Hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2. Okay. So removal of 1 hydrogen and adding of 1 aromatic ring. Say removal of 1 hydrogen and adding of 1 aromatic ring. So very simple answer. First of all, aromatic ring, that is benzene. Okay. Next NH bond NH. Next second mole aromatic ring. Okay. C6H5 NH bond NH C6H5. So 2 moles of aromatic ring. Okay, 2 moles of aromatic ring. Total hydrogen atoms are 10 hydrogen atoms. So byproduct is 4 moles of water, 4H2O. And this is hydrazobenzene. So generally hydrazine formula H2N bond NH2 and hydrazobenzene formula C6H5 NH bond NH C6H5 compound name is hydrazobenzene. Very simple. 2 moles of aromatic ring. Okay, 2 moles of aromatic ring. Next 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay, 2 nitrogen atoms. And 2 into 2 4 oxygen atoms. Okay, 4 oxygen atoms. Next 10 hydrogen atoms. 1 plus 1 2 and 8 10 hydrogen atoms. Okay. So finally acidic medium product is aniline and basic medium or alkaline medium product is hydrazobenzene. Formula C6H5 NH bond NH C6H5. So first one, presence of acidic medium. Second one, basic medium. So acidic medium zinc plus HCl, basic medium zinc plus alcoholic KOH. Next one, third property, same reducing property. Third property, that is presence of neutral medium. Neutral medium. Okay. Acidic medium, zinc plus HCl. Basic medium, zinc plus alcoholic KOH. Neutral medium, zinc plus ammonium chloride salt. One of the salt, zinc plus NH4Cl, ammonium chloride salt, neutral medium. Okay, first of all nitrobenzene, but only 1 mole of nitrobenzene. Formula C6H5NO2, our compound nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. In the presence of neutral medium, that is zinc plus ammonium chloride salt, NH4Cl. Acidic medium, zinc plus hydrochloric acid. Basic medium, zinc plus alcoholic KOH, and neutral medium, zinc plus ammonium chloride salt. It is also one of the reducing agent. Generally, reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms, but addition of only 4 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly convert into actually hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH. Hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH. Very simple. Removal of one hydrogen, and adding of one aromatic ring like benzene. So very simple answer. C6H5, next NHNHOH, C6H5NHOH, and compound name is phenyl hydroxylamine. Actually hydroxylamine formula H2N bond OH, but phenyl hydroxylamine formula C6H5 bond NH bond OH. And byproduct is very simple. For example, addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, 2 hydrogens, so only 1 mole of water, H2O. Very simple aromatic ring. Next aromatic ring, 1 hydrogen atom. Next 2 oxygen atoms, so 1 plus 1, 2 oxygen atoms. Next 4 hydrogen atom, 1, 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen atoms. And the product is phenyl hydroxylamine. So acidic medium product is aniline, and basic medium hydrobenzene. Next neutral medium product is phenyl hydroxylamine. And fourth one, very important, action of lithium aluminium hydride, LiAlH4, lithium aluminium hydride. It is also one of the reducing agent. Very simple. First of all, nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2 nitrobenzene, but 2 moles of nitrobenzene. The friends of lithium aluminium hydride, same one of the reducing agent. So very simple, addition of 8 hydrogen atoms. Lithium aluminium hydride, one of the reducing agent. So addition of 8 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly converted into azobenzene. Nitrobenzene directly converted into azobenzene. Azo means nitrogen compounds. Very simple. Compound name is azobenzene. Azo, nitrogen. So compound name is azobenzene. And byproduct is very simple, 8 hydrogen atoms. So byproduct is 4 moles of water. Very simple. First of all, 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay, 2 nitrogen atoms. Next 2 moles of aromatic ring. And next 2 into 2, 4 oxygen atoms. So 4 oxygen atoms. Next 8 hydrogen atoms, 4 into 2, 8 hydrogen atoms. So these are reducing properties of nitrobenzene. So acidic medium product is aniline, and basic or alkaline product is hydrobenzene. Neutral medium product is phenyl hydroxylamine, and action of lithium aluminum hydride product is azobenzene. And acidic medium reagent, zinc plus HCl. Basic medium or alkaline medium, zinc plus alcoholic KOH. Neutral medium, zinc plus ammonium chloride. And action of lithium aluminum hydride, and product is azobenzene. Okay, so these are reducing properties of nitrobenzene. Next property. Next one. Fifth property. Action of hydrogen by nickel catalyst. Very simple. First of all, nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. So this is nitrobenzene. nitrobenzene. Hydrogen, for example, 3 moles of hydrogen molecule 3H2 in the presence of nickel catalyst. Same nitrobenzene directly converted into aniline. Aniline formula C6H5NH2 aniline, and byproduct is very simple, 3 into 2 6 hydrogens, so 2 moles of water 2H2O 2H2. So 1 mole of aromatic ring, 1 nitrogen atom, 2 oxygen atoms, so 2 oxygen atoms, and 3 into 2 6 hydrogens, so 2 into 2 4 plus 2 6 hydrogens. And main compound is aniline formula C6H5NH2. So these 5 are reducing properties of nitrobenzene. Acidic medium, basic medium, neutral medium, action of lithium aluminum hydride, and action of hydrogen by nickel. So these 5 reactions, only 5 reactions are reducing properties of nitrobenzene. Okay, next separate properties, very simple properties. Reaction with chlorine. Reaction with chlorine. Sixth one, reaction with chlorine. Chlorine formula Cl2 or halogenation of nitrobenzene. First of all, nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. So this is nitrobenzene, our compound nitrobenzene. Okay, and nitrobenzene react with chlorine molecule formula Cl2. In the presence of iron, iron formula Fe. So very simple, 1 mole of hydrogen, next 1 mole of chlorine. So removal of HCl, so byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Nitro or bond NO2 is a meta-directing group, ortho, meta, para. So meta-directing group. So very simple answer. So aromatic ring, okay. Next NO2, next addition of one chlorine atom in meta position. So very simple, meta position chlorine atom. So compound name is metachloro nitrobenzene. So compound name is metachloro nitrobenzene. So ortho position, meta position, para position. So bond NO2 or nitro group is a meta-directing group. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So addition of second chlorine atom. So metachloro nitrobenzene. Okay. And last and final, nitration of nitrobenzene. Nitration of nitrobenzene. Not nitration of benzene, nitration of nitrobenzene. So first of all, nitrobenzene formula same C6H5NO2. So this is nitrobenzene. And the nitrobenzene react with nitration mixture. So already know. So nitration mixture means the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So first of all, concentrated nitric acid formula HNO3. Okay, HNO3. So this is nitric acid, but concentrated nitric acid formula HNO3. So in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, but temperature is above 60 degrees Celsius temperature. In nitration of benzene, below 60 degrees Celsius temperature. But in nitration of nitrobenzene, above 60 degrees Celsius temperature. First one below 60, next one above 60 degrees Celsius temperature. And nitro is a meta-directing group. So very simple. So 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. So removal of water, H2O, removal of water. Remaining answer, aromatic ring, NO2, and addition of NO2 group in meta position. So very simple. First of all, aromatic ring, okay, So nitro, NO2, and meta position same NO2. And compound name is dinitrobenzene or nitrobenzene. So this is nitrobenzene close. So first of all, preparation method of nitrobenzene, only single method, that is nitration of benzene. Next, properties of nitrobenzene. First 5 properties are reducing properties. That is acidic medium, basic medium, neutral medium, lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogen by nickel catalyst. And the next one, chlorine, reaction with chlorine formula Cl2 in the presence of iron. But nitro group is a meta-directing group, so 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, so metachloronitrobenzene. Next one, nitration of nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2 plus concentrated nitric acid HNO3 in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, but temperature is above 60 degrees Celsius temperature. In nitration of benzene below 60 degrees Celsius, but in nitration of nitrobenzene above 60 degrees Celsius temperature. So 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of OH, remove of water, and remaining answer is dinitrobenzene or metanitrobenzene. So this is nitrobenzene concept. So very important in JEE and NEET. JEE and NEET. So nitrobenzene close. Next topic. So nitrobenzene completed. Preparation and properties of nitrobenzene. Okay, so nitrobenzene close. First topic close. So actually chapter name organic compounds. Chapter name organic compounds containing nitrogen. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. First topic is nitrobenzene close. 11th chapter haloalkanes and halogens. 12th chapter organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. 13th chapter organic compounds containing nitrogen. So first topic nitrobenzene completed. Next, second topic, very important topic, IB and entrance also. That is aniline. Aniline. It is one of the amine. Generally, amine formula bond NH2. Amine formula bond NH2. So amines. And best example of amines, that is aniline. Best example of amines, that is aniline. For example, aniline formula C6H5NH2. C6H5NH2, one of the amine, that is aniline or aminobenzene. Next, for example, methylamine. Generally, methylamine formula CH3 bond NH2, same one of the amine, CH3 bond NH2. So first one is aromatic amine, and second one is aliphatic amine. For example, ethylamine. So generally ethylamine formula CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2. So this is ethylamine. Okay. So first topic is nitrobenzene, nitro compounds. Second topic is amines. And best example of amines, aniline, methylamine. So first one is aromatic amine. So due to presence of aromatic ring, formula C6H5NH2. And second and third one is aliphatic amines due to presence of alkyl group, methyl and ethyl. So first one aromatic amine, next one aliphatic amines. And topic name is amines. Okay. So studying preparation methods of amines. So next topic amines. Okay. Studying preparation methods. Of amines. Preparation methods of amines, like aniline, ethylamine, etc. Any amine. Okay. So heading is preparation methods of amines, only amines. So first method, very important method, from alkyl halides. Okay. So preparation methods of amines. First method is from alkyl halides, like ethyl chloride, etc. These are alkyl halides. For example, ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl, one of the alkyl halide. So this is ethyl chloride. Formula CH3, CH2, Cl. And ethyl chloride react with ammonia. So generally ammonia formula NH3. So this is ammonia. Ethyl chloride react with ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. NH3. So very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of chlorine. So removal of HCl. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Remaining CH3, CH2, NH2. So CH3 bond. Okay, CH2 bond, right? NH2. NH2 compound name is ethyl. Bond CH2, bond CH3 means ethyl, and bond NH2 ethyl amine. Ethyl amine. Actually heading preparation methods of amines. Any amine. So first one ethyl amine. Ethyl amine, and it is also called primary amine. It is also called primary amine or ethyl amine. Formula CH3, CH2, NH2. Then primary amine or ethyl amine formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NH2. Primary amine or ethyl amine. Ethyl amine. So this is ethyl amine or primary amine. Primary amine. React with second mole ethyl chloride. Second mole ethyl chloride, that is principal CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. Second mole ethyl chloride. Okay. So this is second mole ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. Okay. Same removal of one hydrogen and one chlorine atom. So removal of HCl. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer CH3, CH2. Next CH3, CH2. 2 moles of ethyl group. CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2. So CH3, CH2 taken twice. Taken twice. 2 moles. Next NH. NH. And the compound name is diethyl amine. So this is diethyl amine. Diethyl amine, and it is also called secondary amine. It is also called secondary amine. Okay, primary amine. Next secondary amine. Next secondary amine. Secondary amine or diethyl amine formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond taken twice. Diethyl amine formula NH. It is also called secondary amine. Secondary amine or diethyl amine. Okay, diethyl amine. Diethyl amine. CH3, CH2 taken twice NH. And diethyl amine react with third mole ethyl chloride. Formula same. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So this is alkyl halide or ethyl chloride, but third mole ethyl chloride. Formula CH3, CH2, Cl. CH3, CH2, Cl. Simple answer. So same 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. So removal of HCl. Removal of HCl. So byproduct is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Remaining answer CH3, CH2 taken twice plus CH3, CH2. Total 3 moles of alkyl group. So CH3 bond, CH2 taken thrice or taken 3 thrice. Next N. Only one nitrogen atom. One nitrogen atom. Compound name is triethyl amine. Triethyl amine. Triethyl amine. Triethyl amine. And it is also called tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. Primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. And further tertiary amine formula. Tertiary amine formula CH3, CH2 taken thrice, only N nitrogen atom. Taken thrice, only N nitrogen atom. Okay. Compound name is triethyl amine. Triethyl amine, and it is also called tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. Same tertiary amine react with 4th mole ethyl chloride. Formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. Compound name is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So it is one of the addition reaction, completely addition of reaction. So very simple, CH3, CH2 taken thrice plus 1 mole of CH3, CH2. So CH3, CH2 taken 4. Taken 4, N plus next Cl minus. And finally compound name is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Okay. So first method from alkyl halides and different types of amines. For example, primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Actually heading preparation methods of amines. So amines, primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary ammonium salt. Okay. So So first of all, ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl plus ammonia formula NH3, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, so HCl. Remaining answer CH3CH2 NH2, ethyl amine, and it is also called primary amine. Next, primary amine formula CH3CH2 NH2 plus second mole ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine. Byproduct is HCl. Remaining answer CH3CH2 taken twice NH, diethyl amine, and it is also called secondary amine. And further, secondary amine or diethyl amine CH3CH2 taken twice NH plus third mole ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl. 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of chlorine, so removal of HCl. Remaining answer triethyl amine or tertiary amine. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Next, tertiary amine or triethyl amine react with 4 mole ethyl chloride CH3CH2Cl. So 3 moles of ethyl group plus 1, 4 moles CH3CH2 taken for N plus Cl minus. Compound name is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. So this is first method from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, and best example of alkyl halide ethyl chloride. So alkyl halide react with ammonia and to form primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary ammonium salt. Okay. So first method completed. That is from alkyl halides. And second preparation method of amines. So first preparation method from alkyl halides. Okay, so first method from alkyl halides, and second preparation method of amines, very simple method from nitrobenzene. From nitrobenzene. Okay, nitrobenzene. First of all, nitrobenzene formula. Nitrobenzene formula C6H5 NO2. Okay, so this is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene C6H5 NO2 nitrobenzene formula. So in the presence of acidic medium, that is zinc plus concentrated hydrochloric acid or Zn plus hydrochloric acid. So it is one of the reducing agent. So very simple addition of 6 hydrogen atoms. 6 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly converted into our compound aniline or amines. Aniline, aminobenzene or aniline, one of the amine. Actual heading amines, and subheading preparation methods of amines. Any amine, aniline, ethylamine, etc. So aniline C6H5 NH2. And byproduct is very simple, 6 hydrogen atoms. So 4 moles of water, 4H2O. 2 moles of hydrogen, 2H2O. 2 moles of water, 2H2O. Very simple, 2H2O. So 1 mole of aromatic, 1 hydrogen atom. Next to 2 oxygen atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay? Next to same nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. Nitrobenzene formula C6H5NO2. So react with 3 moles of hydrogen molecule in the presence of nickel catalyst. It is also one of the reducing agent, hydrogen by nickel catalyst. So 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly converted to the same compound aniline or aminobenzene. Formula C6H5NH2. So this is aniline or aminobenzene. And byproduct is same, 2 moles of water, 2H2O. So compound name is aminobenzene or aniline. Aminobenzene or aniline. Okay. So first method is from alkyl halides, and second method is from nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene in the presence of zinc plus hydrochloric acid. So it is one of the reducing agent. So addition of 6 hydrogen atoms. Then nitrobenzene directly converted to aniline, and byproduct is 2 moles of water. Next same nitrobenzene, 3 moles of hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst. So 3 into 2, 6 hydrogens. Then nitrobenzene directly converted to aniline, and byproduct is 2 moles of water. So second method is from nitrobenzene. Next, third method. First method from alkyl halides. Okay. Second method from nitrobenzene. Next, third method. Third preparation method of amines. Third preparation method. Very simple method from chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene. Okay. So chlorobenzene formula C6H5Cl. So this is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene C6H5Cl. And chlorobenzene reacts with 2 moles of ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. 2 moles of ammonia. In the presence of cuprous oxide and temperature. Cuprous oxide and temperature. Then chlorobenzene directly converted into aniline or aminobenzene formula C6H5NH2 aniline or aminobenzene, and byproduct is very simple, ammonium chloride salt NH4Cl, ammonium chloride salt. Main product is aniline and byproduct is ammonium chloride. Very simple, aromatic ring. Next aromatic ring. Next 1 chlorine atom, so 1 chlorine atom. Next 2 nitrogen atoms, okay, 2 nitrogen atoms. Next 2 into 3, 6 hydrogen atoms. 4 plus 2, 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay, so third preparation method is from chlorobenzene. Next, fourth preparation method, very simple method, from phenol. Phenol or hydroxybenzene. So generally phenol formula C6H5OH, hydroxybenzene, or phenol formula C6H5OH. So this is phenol or hydroxybenzene. Same phenol react with ammonia formula NH3. Phenol react with ammonia, okay, ammonia formula NH3. In the presence of zinc chloride, ZnCl2 and temperature. So first one cuprous oxide Cu2O, second one zinc chloride and temperature. Very simple. 1 mole of hydrogen. Next 1 mole of OH. H plus ion, next OH minus ion. So byproduct is water. Water formula H2O. Remaining answer C6H5. Next NH2. C6H5. Okay. NH2. Our compound amine. That is aniline. Okay. So first method is from alkyl halides. Second method is very important. Next from chlorobenzene. Fourth one is from phenol. Okay. So simple methods: alkyl halides, from nitrobenzene, from chlorobenzene, from phenol. Phenol formula C6H5OH, ammonia formula NH3, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of OH. So removal of water. Remaining answer C6H5NH2. So compound name is aniline. Okay. Next, fifth method. Okay, so fifth method from cyanides. For example, methyl cyanide. So methyl cyanide formula CH3CN. Methyl cyanide formula CH3CN. One of these cyanide, alkyl cyanide or methyl cyanide. And the reduction of cyanides or reduction of alkyl cyanides or reduction of methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide, another reducing agent, that is lithium, aluminum hydride. It is one of the reducing agents. So reduction of cyanides. So very simple, addition of hydrogen atoms, but addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. Very simple answer. CH3, C, addition of 2 hydrogen atoms, H2, N, addition of 2 hydrogen atoms, NH2. So finally, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NH2. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NH2, and compound name is ethylamine. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NH2. Okay, so first of all, alkyl cyanide, any alkyl cyanide, for example, methyl cyanide formula CH3CN. In the presence of reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, so very simple addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. So CH3 CH2 NH2, CH3 CH2, so CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2, ethyl amine, primary amine. Next, same for example from isocyanates, for example CH3 bond NC, CH3 bond NC, CH3 bond Cl means methyl cyanide, and CH3 bond NC, so this is methyl isocyanide, formula CH3 bond NC. Same in the presence of reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, one of the reducing agent. Same addition of 4 hydrogen atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, very simple answer. So C bond C, okay, CH3 CH2 NH2. Next C bond N, C bond N. So answer is CH3 bond NH, starting nitrogen atom, NH bond CH3. So CH3 bond NH bond CH3. Very simple. So 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of carbon, okay. 2 carbon atoms, next 2 carbon atoms. Hydrogen, 4 hydrogen plus 3, 7 hydrogen, 3 plus 1 plus 3, 7 hydrogen atoms. So compound name is dimethyl amine, and it is also called secondary amine. So this is primary amine, and second one is secondary amine or dimethyl amine. And the next one from amides, reduction of amides, from amides, reduction of amides. For example, estamide formula CH3 C double bond O NH2. So it is one of the amide. So compound name is acetamide. IDE, acetamide. Same in the presence of reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. So very simple addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay. So then C double bond O group converted into CH2. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NH2 ethyl amine, and byproduct is water formula H2O. So very simple, 1 plus 1, 2 carbon atoms, okay, 2 carbon atoms. Next 1 oxygen atom. Next hydrogen atoms, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 hydrogen atoms. Next only 1 hydrogen atom, and compound name is ethyl amine or primary amine. Okay. So from cyanates or alkyl cyanates or methyl cyanates, CH3Cl, in the presence of reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, so addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. So CH3 CH2 NH2, ethyl amine or primary amine. Next from isocyanates, for example CH3 bond NC, methyl isocyanate, same in the presence of reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, addition of 4 hydrogen atoms, CH3 bond NH bond CH3, dimethyl amine or secondary amine. Next from amides, for example estamide, CH3 C double bond O NH2, same reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, so addition of 4 hydrogen atoms. So then C double bond O group directly converted into CH2 group. So CH3 CH2 NH2, and byproduct is water. Okay, right.